That's it. Mabel, you and me are going to find the jerk who did this and get back that head. And we'll see who's adorable.
Aw, you sneeze like a kitten.
Case closed.
You sneeze like a kitten. Those policemen were right. You're adorable. Adorable!
Oh, God bless you, dear.
Hey, Troy sneezes like a girl.
And how about I pound you like a boy? That didn't come out right.
Aw, that's your sneeze?
What?
It's just so cute.
It's a normal sneeze.
I can't believe the whole time you were trying to kill us, you had the cutest sneeze of all time.
I am not cute.